GoPro third-person test, new ray, mollie system. Let's go. Actually, give it like 10 seconds. I'm gonna wait for the glue to dry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sounds good enough. Put on the backpack like style. Take off the Velcro more importantly. So damn weird. It's good, it's also bad, because I'm not used to this. Let's try it like that. Okay, walking around. Feels weird as hell. Right about there is good. Alright. Quick tour. Start the video in 3, 2, 1, go. Technically, I already started the video, but I'm gonna have to cut some parts out in the future. It's intact. Alright, this works. I can feel the actual thing moving back and forth. So I can already tell this is a good structure of what I'm doing. As you can see, I have an extra large, maybe 2XL, 3XL vest. I have PVC in a rectangle form and then a little pipe sticking out. There you have it. I'm going to test a few things. Since I have the mollie rig or mollie vest hooked up, it was only $34, $35, $36, $37 at a local Airsoft paintball shop. I'm going to be testing a few things, aiming down the sights, guns like this, and I'm also going to be testing running. I'm going to run back and forth, And also, if my cats interrupt me, then just don't bother with it. Alright, first off, running. Ready, and go. Alright, and then the other way. My cat got scared because I'm just standing there going, whoa! Whoa! Alright, this is not bad, actually. It feels fucking weird, but it's still pretty cool. Grab a Nerf shotgun, I think. Airzone shotgun, actually. Not Airsoft, Airzone. Aim down the sights. Not aiming down the sights, but pretending to aim down the sights. So far, the rig looks like it held up to the torture. Well, what do you guys think? And running with guns, see if that actually does make a difference, but this is going to be, if the vest works correctly, and I have a great view of everything, this will be used for Airsoft. And hopefully Airsoft in the next 3 days. It's going to happen in the next 3 days, I should say. Go. Running. Oh shit, that's not good. Well, it was good while it lasted. Thanks for watching.